Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, I was reading in an article where R. Kelly is back in the news, and let me get right to this. In this article that I was reading, it seems that when it rains, it pours. R. Kelly have been going through a lot of stuff lately. Stick with me here. R. Kelly, first and foremost, another person have came out saying that R. Kelly raped her. Greenberg, R. Kelly's lawyer, said that the delay is due to the fact that R. Kelly was hit on February the 14th with fresh federal charges that he sexually abused another minor over a 4-year period starting when she was 14 or 15. R. Kelly defaults on the Chicago sex abuse lawsuit after a no-show. R. Kelly legal and financial woes are getting worse. Defaults on a civil lawsuit filed by a woman who claimed he lured her into a sex in 1998 when she was 16. Kelly hasn't appeared in court to defend himself for the suit filed by the plaintiff, Heather Wims. After facing a Windy City jury, Kelly is scheduled to go to trial in July in a Brooklyn federal court on racketeering and sex trafficking and bribery charge. Kelly will be arraigned on the next indictment, March the 5th. Judge Moira S. Johnson granted the default judgment against the I Can Believe I Can Fly star after he was absent for yet another hearing in the case. The ruling came just days after Kelly, former landlord, in the Chicago suit. The singer alleged that he owes $3.4 million in back rent for his studio court records show. April trial, Chicago federal court charges of creating and possessing child pornography and sexual exploitation of a minor. So I say all of that to say this. R. Kelly has really been going through a lot here lately. So now he comes up and it's an opportunity for him to possibly see some light at the end of the tunnel and to possibly come out. And here comes another woman saying that R. Kelly sexually abused her. It's just amazing. I mean, if you look back in history over the females, when someone has done something to a female, you start to see this pattern of women coming forward. Now, is this female telling the truth? I always question this, is that when someone comes forward and they are a celebrity, it seems like after they come forward on what they've done or what they are being accused of, then you see this wave of other people coming forward too to try to, I mean, I don't know their motives behind it. Sometimes it's money. Most of the time it's money behind it, and they're trying to get a buyout. Sometimes, you know, I mean, they could be genuine, and they could be telling the truth. But what I really don't understand is that why now? Why now? What are you trying to do? You trying to get your hands in the pot also and get some money out of this? That's the question I would ask. Now, also, I was reading about R. Kelly, and he owed $3.4 million in back rent. Well, the man has been locked up forever, and I don't know who he have had handling his business while he was locked up. But if you know, like I know, when it comes to people handling your money, they're not going to handle your money like you handle their money, if they even handle your money the correct way without putting some in their own pocket. So I don't know. It's just a mess for R. Kelly. And I know R. Kelly looked back and then he looked down the road. He didn't know, well, he had to know that karma is real. And if you do something, you're going to reap what you sow eventually. So, yeah. That's the latest news I have on R. Kelly, guys. I will be doing more follow-ups as this thing with the trial and all of this